Since everyone is posting a review of how 2016 has been for them, so I also decided to do a review of 2016 for myself. Hello everyone, this is Calliope and today I am going to say goodbye to 2016 because it is the last day of the year, so I decided to do a kind of review of how 2016 has been for me. So to begin with, I am very glad that 2016 was really not that bad, because I laid the foundation for this YouTube channel already in, you can say, September, October 2015. I started doing research about how to start a YouTube channel. Now of course before that I was actually thinking of starting something on my own, something related to food, something related to writing, so something related to things I was passionate about and also which required minimum investment. So I'm very glad that I started my YouTube channel almost at the end of 2015, and this channel has given me immense happiness, regular work if you go to see, because I have been an assistant director, I have done some content writing to earn some money. I used to go for castings at one stage of my life as an aspiring actor or as a commercial model. So the reason I decided to start this channel was because I got fed up of waiting for others to give me work, depending on others to give me a sort of experience. That was the reason I started this channel, because I remember a few years back a friend of mine, I don't talk to him now, but he gave me a word of advice that whatever you're passionate about, whatever you want to do in your life, start creating things yourself. That time it did not resonate with me. I was like, what will I do? I don't have that much money, I don't have that team, to do things. Hell, even like there are so many of my friends from this field who don't actually care about helping me with this channel or even asking whether I need any help. So imagine doing things on my own. I was like, no way, I cannot do it. But one fine day I decided enough is enough. I'm not going to wait for anyone to give me work. I'm not going to wait for casting directors. I'm not going to wait for my friend to finally start his business so that I can help him with it and earn a living. It's okay if this is going to take some time. As I have mentioned before, I'm also writing my books. So it doesn't happen overnight that I'll be ready with a book. It's not that I have some magic wand. It's going to take some time. It's going to be like writing and rewriting it and tearing the damn paper. Doing research constantly on how to grow my channel. Worrying about, is this channel going to grow? Now I have some 10,000 plus views. Is this ever going to reach 1 million views? Is this ever going to be like Superwoman's channel? Is this ever going to have million subscribers or at least 100 subscribers? So yes, 2016 taught me that if I want to achieve something in life, I have to put it out there, do things on my own, create it. If no one is helping me, it's okay. If someone doesn't think I'm deserving, it's okay. I have to put myself out there and show that what I can do. So I'm very thankful to YouTube, for giving an opportunity to us creators to do what we want, to show that we are something, to show the world our talent, to show the world our wisdom of whatever we know and we have learned from life, to share that with everyone. Career wise, I'm thankful It's okay if in 1 year my channel did not grow up to 1 million subscribers. It's alright. I'm not with any network. I don't have anyone to help me with this. I'm doing everything on my own. I'm very glad. I am happy. This will take time to grow, but I'm happy. I'm happy to create all the content. I'm happy to share it with all you people. And I just want to keep creating awesome content this year also. I may have mentioned in my 1 year YouTube channel anniversary video that I want to thank my parents, my friends, all you subscribers and whoever watches my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel, supporting, liking, commenting, all that. I would like to thank one particular person. He is director Daniel, because he's my friend and he has been supportive since the beginning, since I was a struggling actor, since whatever I asked him, career advice, even in spite of staying so far in LA, Los Angeles, he has been so helpful with his advice, which I'm sorry to say a lot of my friends from the media over here have not been that supportive or haven't actually cared, you know. So in spite of the fact that I have been supportive to them, to a lot of them, and I've tried to help in whatever way I can, but it's okay. This guy has given me such wise advice, you know, how high to keep the phone camera, little bit of editing advice if I asked him, and just being supportive, just being that amazing person that he is. And I think everyone should learn that from him, that, you know, no matter how successful you are in life, if you are not helpful, if you are not generous, if you're not actually sharing this wisdom, this experience with your friends or with the world, then it's such futile, you know. I mean, it's no point being successful and stuff. So that's what I would like to put it out there. And yeah, you can, if you want to check out his music videos, there are a lot of amazing music videos he keeps directing. And the latest one was with the Chainsmokers, the Closer song. Go ahead and watch it. And when it comes to my personal life, I was not like very active, let me tell you, on the dating scene, but yeah, there were 2-3 guys, and let's just say that I don't know what to say. I keep meeting the same kind of guys. I don't know what is it. I hope that 2017 doesn't get me such guys. Please, please God, please. Like, I'll be happy to stay single, but I don't want to be with guys who do not understand my career, who do not support me, who are so freaking judgmental, who are either fuckboys, who want friends with benefits kind of relationship, who are like selfish, who have their own insecurities. That's it. It's all been like learning experience for me. But overall, 2016 was not that bad. The only thing I want to say is, yes, my mom has not been like completely fine. She's been taking homeopathic treatment, and I just hope that 2017 keeps both my parents healthy and, you know, happy, healthy and happy, yeah. And I hope I don't have to deal with difficult people. No more lessons in 2017. I just want happiness. That's it. And I just want to keep growing my channel, keep working on my channel, my book, and hopefully if I get some castings, that would be amazing. That's it. I hope 2017 is amazing for you guys. I am making one more video this week, so next week I would be taking it a little bit easy. I have one more surprise for you guys, so watch this video till the end. And this is how I want to say goodbye to 2016. So enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below and let me know how are you celebrating the last day of the year, and Happy New Year to everyone. Please share this video with your friends. Please share other videos also, and please subscribe if you're liking my content. Please press the subscribe button and wait, don't go yet, because as I said, I have a surprise for you. So in 3, 2, 1, go.